Yes, me there here again, my people, with more situations that I want to talk to you about. Big up, respect, and manners to each and everyone. Alright, so first up, my people, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened during a confrontation between one person and at least two other persons. So may I say, the reason why I said at least two other persons is because one person was arguing with a certain amount of persons, viewers and subscribers. You understand me? And believe me, you can hear quite a lot of harsh language in this video. So viewers and subscribers, more you look and listen to the video carefully. And based on some words that have been said in the video, I would like you to tell me who you think might be right from who you think might be wrong when it comes down to the confrontation or the situation. And I want you to please bear in mind that you can hear harsh language in the video, but people, make sure I tell you again. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
First I got him.
This man, I'm here.
I'll take care of you now.
I'm not trying to take care of you, too.
No.
Chocolate clot! Yeah!
Yo, who me?
Yeah.
You know what we?
Enough time me there and you broke and you have your money in your pocket.
Why you give me?
So keep that there.
Why you give me?
I just say you will keep it.
The same thought that you give me some Kishana. See that witness.
Next soon you see again.
So me not tell her, see him, they ask him. Before me go. Come here, you not chatting up.
Hey.
And the same thought that when you give me for down there, me swear to God, me say this good God and scandal as witness. And the same thought that you give me, see Shana then. Before me move, ask him. Got that man for them.
Look, one of you say, me assassin thing to you. Brother, don't make you look line up there, so, and then look at thing the way you see what plant up there.
But obviously they know they want it.
Come here, first
Don't mash down the things.
me now master your thing.
Don't let that you do.
What me mash down for you?
Don't make me get root.
What me mash down for you, baby?
Listen.
What me mash down for you?
Don't make me get root.
What me mash down for you?
Don't me catch crap them.
Me mash your cracker.
Did I say you never cut the banana? Me say you don't
Come to a station, this say I'm going there run go far. I saw me afraid of you. Me I say, I don't think you see you. I want you to come near me. Me get up and kick down your blood. Hear me? Just come near me. Me say, just come near me. I just want to your blood clot in my man here. You think so me alone?
I'm here for this area.
I don't want you to turn for. I don't want you to turn for. It's a matter of kill him today. We don't put him man make him kill your blood clot in my man here. Why you want me to shoot over right? You want me to over right and swear.
You want to know that?
What? Why you plant a crop some lonely banana them for? Why you plant a crop some lonely banana for?
Where you come up with them for? Yeah, check you. Go talk to Lord. Me murder one, two, three, and say you talk to me.
No, you pass me to try to go down to the night, so I must finally a chat.
Me don't want to put them on, me don't skill one on.
What's your case if you can't keep fly?
Man, I understand that. They know him there. You don't understand
blood clot this man.
They say me eat yourself more time. Cause your blood clot beat. You don't understand you're a bad man.
Eh. I'm cool a bit.
Yeah.
Now come badness in my push.
You know say this here to you. Yeah, last time I go cut off him blood clot like you tear him blood.
Let me know. I mean that me know.
And listen.
Yeah, cook them there, me not cook down there. You don't know why.
No cook down there when you not did it.
No cook down there when me not did it.
Wait, for what?
Look, you tell. Up to yesterday not did it. Blood clot cook.
Me not cook in here. I'm afraid I'm like a put.
I don't there you cook yesterday too. When no need did I don't there you cook. With the blood clot.
So we are doing me for banana. You think them up the sofa.
I think we make a beat on here. Move.
That's not view. Blood clot. You can't come back go this up. Remember me tell you.
Yeah, tap your shoulder.
I want me have the argument.
Try that.
Of your place.
No, if you have I'm not from my place. I'll film things that were there. Go there.
Walk out your banana when you ready shoot and can't do nothing. Whatever the fire
He was
side.
supposed to shoot the first start plant up. That you know what daddy. So him first start plant up. It's an argument to that one. Him first start plant up. The family. Long time.
I'm going to walk on warm it. Make sure you. Right now, we can't go up there. You can't. I'm going to say right now.
Uncle team have to run that station when you go up there and can't do nothing shooter.
Well, my people, that was really and truly a heated confrontation between those persons. You see me? Now, me's the kind of person, I like to make you listen certain things for yourself and or hear certain words that have been said in videos for yourself. So, listen back to this part of the video. Listen.
Don't make you look line up there, so. And then look at thing the way you see what I plant up there. Me have nothing for nothing for that. I mean, I first
Right. So, you hear that part there, right? One more time, listen it again.
Don't make you look line up there, so. And then look at thing the way you see what I plant up there. Me have nothing for nothing for that. I mean, I first
Right, so obviously, they know they want, see me I say. And it seems as if the argument have something to do with certain words that I just hear in the part they will play back. Yes, I mean, some people, like the part I hear me play back a while ago, seems like the argument have something to do with that. If you notice, you understand? Yeah, man, me hear the word gun mentioned in the video too. Me hear the word gun mentioned in the video too. So, tell me what you think about that, the situation, my people. Because that video, I get a little attention on social media. On to another topic. Now, I'm going to present an audio to you, my viewers and subscribers. And in this audio, a person talk about a situation where it said that 2 persons had been shot and injured. Now, my people, I want you to pay close attention to the word family that the person said in the audio. You might pay attention to the word family. You might be surprised to hear some of the words that the person said in the audio. Now, my people, I want to make it very clear that I am not able to confirm if everything that the person said in this audio are accurate. I'm not able to confirm if everything that the person said in the audio are true. You understand me? But I want you to listen to what the person said and tell me what to think about the situation. And I'll soon talk to you some more after I present this audio to you. Alright? Listen. Observe.
Alright. Let me break it down for you and make it know exactly what I heard took place. Apparently the dude, Frederick, apparently the dude wanted the girl, Marissa, right? And she told him, okay, basically she shut him down. It can't work because what? Them related, them a family. Check. She tell him, no, we are family, that can't happen. He must insist and persist and continue trouble. But get to find out that she interested in the other dude. I found out that the two of them a deal. She and the other dude a deal. And at one point they say he and the brother man get in an argument, and then they say he threatened the brother man. Well, not threatened the brother man, he walk up to the brother man and tell him one day, I hope he can protect she at all times.
Yeah, listen.
2 weeks ago, something like that. Then they report him to HR, and then some other incident they report him some time ago. The girl brother come and talk to you and tell you you need to relax, whatever the case may be. He did threaten the girl and tell the girl he can slap she, which is the truth apparently. They say he can slap she, check. They say out of the blue, he called one day. The shooter apparently called one day for find out if the other guy they work out the blue. Check. I mean, so many things that the guy did that the fingers are pointing to him now. Apparently yesterday, something happened again, and the guy who got shot reported it to HR, and the shooter apparently clocked out early because it was finished work about 11:30, and he clocked out 9 o'clock. So he not feel good. Check. And then the shooting happened. Check. 5 shot fire. The guy got 3. One in the chest, on the arm, on the back, and she get one in she face. I'm thinking in she chest. Alright, up to now they can't find him. So he retarded like an all-round digger. He do so much stuff leading up to this that if he didn't do it himself, he has something to do with it.
Now, my people, if those words that the person said are accurate, then viewers and subscribers, in my point of view, the whole situation just messy. That's if those words that the person said in that audio are accurate. You see what I say? Now, me actually get information about an incident where it said that 2 persons had been shot and injured, no viewers and subscribers. So I say last information that I got is that they were taken to hospital and they was being treated. That's the last information that I got, but I don't have any confirmed information as to what happened after I got that information, or I don't have any update about their medical condition. That's what I should say. So me I say, you ever hear the word that some Jamaicans say family ram? You ever hear them word there? Alright, so if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Alright? Yeah, don't be afraid to do so, and share and like and support, help to bring the video out there more and all them things. As I say, and if you have been watching Dancehall Skilla channel for some time now and have not yet clicked the subscribe button, please do so and click the notification bell so that you too can also be notified whenever I post a video. Alright? I think here's where I'm going to leave it, Big up, respect, and manners to each and every one. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.